Today, we're going to be doing a water suspension science experiment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. So, the supplies you'll need today are a small cup or jar, some food coloring, and a large bowl full of water. Now, you want this bowl to be large enough that you can fully submerge your jar or cup and that you'll be able to fully flip it over. So, the first step is to take your food coloring and put it in your large bowl of water. Okay, now that your water is colored, you're gonna take your cup or small jar and fully submerge it like this in your bowl. Okay, now that it's fully submerged, you're gonna flip it over. And now you're gonna pull it up out of the water and watch the magic happen. Look at that, the cup is full of water right now. And so the water's staying in this cup. And so now let's see what happens if we pull it out of the water though. All the water goes rushing out. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and make sure to try this experiment at home with the parents' help and permission. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to show your support. Again, thank you so much. Bye!